Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable the scheduled digest feature on the YouTube app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go into the YouTube app and select the U icon at the bottom right. And then once you're on that section or that page, select the gear icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And now on the left side, select the notifications button. And on the right side, schedule digest. Get all your notifications as a daily digest. Tap the customize delivery time. So if you want to turn that off, just have it toggle to the left. So currently if it's turned on, just left click inside of here to turn it off. And you can see it's off now. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.